Do you have eye bags or heavy eyelids and you do not want to undergo surgery, but you want to improve them? Well, Agnes is a great treatment to help with that. And we are going to be doing one right now. But Agnes is microneedling with radio frequency. So we can actually go deep, even up to 5 millimeters down, and sizzle away that fat pad and tighten the eyelids as well. So I'm going to show you just how easy it can be. So we've already put lidocaine on our patient's eyes, so that's why they're a little bit light in color. And I'm going to have you turn to me, and I'm going to just squeeze you. So I've mapped out where I want to go. Here we go. Here we go. And you may even be able to hear a little of the sizzle. Are you doing okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
And sometimes you just have to get in there. 2. Tell me if you need more numbing. Now we're just going to keep on going. And this is the applicator that we are using, the needle that we use to deliver the radio frequency. So you just have to have actual eye bags and not just have thin skin that's hanging. So we check you before we do this procedure to make sure that that is the case. And like I said, then I've drawn on her exactly where her fat pads lie. So we're going to keep going here. Let's see. And I can actually feel how much of the fat pad we're getting rid of. Let's go back out here. And you can feel it as it goes, as we destroy it. I'll go and do a little bit on the top as well, so you can see that. Start up here, can you feel that?
No.
You can kind of hear that sizzle maybe. But again, radio frequency with microneedling is pretty amazing technology. And you can treat any areas of fat. So we can go underneath your chin. If there's an area on your body that is stubborn, that's just a small little area, you know, that CoolSculpting or can't get, we can do that with Agnes. We can also treat the areas like the buccal area, if you have some fat that's overhanging there, nasolabial folds to help lift and tighten. So really any areas that there are pockets of fat, Agnes can treat. And well, she may have some downtime of some bruising, but she's doing great. And that's really the downtime. It's just bruising. So I usually recommend people take some arnica beforehand and for a couple days after. That will help prevent that, or at least help it go away a little faster. And you may need to do a couple treatments. We always start with one. It just depends on the amount of fat pad that's there. So, and then I could feel immediately how much fat we're getting rid of. So I'll just redo a couple more spots here up at the top. Can you get a good view of me going in? So that way just people can see how it... You doing okay?
Mm-hmm. Just fine.
Oh, good. What's it feel like?
I don't feel hardly anything like a little tap.
Oh, okay, good. That's nice. I cannot tell you personally how it feels like because I haven't had this done on me yet, but of course I like to do everything on me that I do to my patients. But I just haven't made it there yet on this one. So we'll continue to go under and over over and under, etc. But I think you get the idea of what Agnes can do. And then she'll get an immediate improvement, but she might have some swelling and things tomorrow, so it might be hard to see initially. Turn a little to me. I'll just keep going when I'm talking. But then after the swelling and things goes down, it's a little hard to grab sometimes, then she'll see even more improvement. So it's pretty quick. And we have some before and afters on our Facebook page. So that'll be helpful. What I did on the other side already was I did the Agnes and then I overlaid it with Scarlet. So we'll come back in a couple minutes and I'll show you how we do Scarlet after our Agnes is all complete. So if you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it, and follow us and like us on all of the social media. And again, if you want to learn how to get rid of bags, see if you are a candidate, please come in for a free consultation, and I'd be happy to, me or the patient care coordinator and patient care director can do an assessment of you to see if this is a good treatment for you. So we'll be back in a few just to show you the Scarlet next.